Welcome back to the Plays with Cars YouTube channel, and I know we are here in the garage, so you're probably thinking, oh, are we starting on garage rehab? Nope. Project Porsche? Nope. It's Miniatures Monday time again, finally. I've got this model kit here, this S.E. Ertl Lamborghini Miro. This is a really old kit. It's actually a really old reissue of a really old kit that I've had for a while. I think I picked it up at the swap meet a couple years ago, but anyways, what I'm doing is I am hosting a 2-week model car build challenge on the Grassroots Motorsports magazine forum. So basically, pick a kit out of your stash, take a picture of it unbuilt, and start working on it. You can see here, this is why we're in the garage. I've already started doing some body work and some painting. I got some black laid down on the chassis here. It's ready to go, and I got some bronze going on my wheels and my carburetors, and then I did a bunch of body work to the body to get it ready for paint and started priming it, and yes, it is pink. This car is molded in red, and I do not want to paint it red. I'm going to paint it not red, so I got to start layering that up. I had a little bit of reaction here. You can see in the inset body lines there, so I got to sand that out and do another coat of primer, and then an undercoat color, and then the actual top coat color. So that is my progress I'm working on. So what I'm encouraging people to do is, this is all just for fun. You know, we're not trying to like have a contest and who's the best wins and all that. It's strictly, hey, let's give ourselves something to do for a couple of weeks, and you know, inspire each other and have fun and have this fun build. And one random person who participates is going to get a free model. I will ship it to them, and that's kind of the prize for doing this. But Grassroots Motorsports magazine actually already chimed in that they're going to feature kind of their favorite cars on their website. So there's more than just a model at stake. You could, you know, possibly get featured on something. So who knows? It's all for fun. We're all locked up. You know, I think this is a good way to help pass the time. And, you know, maybe finally get a kit knocked off of your list or out under your belt. I've owned this thing for years and never done it. And it's a pretty nice kit for being so old. So I'm excited to build this. I hope you are excited to build stuff. I'm going to put a link in one of the comments because I can't edit descriptions right now. Thank you, computer being dead. But anyways, I'm going to put a link in the comments to the thread so you can go and sign up. And like I said, just pick a random kit. Post a picture. You don't even have to finish. You do not have to finish to be eligible to win one of the models. You just have to participate. Start. Pick a kit. Take it out. Do that. Get to here. Yay, you've made it. But obviously, you know, we're going to try and finish as many as we can, or as much of us are going to try to finish as we can, and just kind of see what happens. So, yeah. That's going to be our Miniatures Monday for this week, and not next week. Next week we'll do a regular Miniatures Monday. The week after that, we will, I'll show off all the winners, basically, or the winners, the completed models. So show off all the models, show off all the entries and the completed ones, and announce who won the free model for me. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Again, link in one of the comments below, and thanks for tuning in to the Plays with Cars YouTube channel here on Miniatures Monday in our coronavirus quarantine.